What's up, guys? In this one, I'm going to talk about the no crank, no start issue that everyone runs into with these F150s. So, you'll end up having to diagnose the three essential things. An air issue, a spark issue, an oil pressure issue, or a fuel issue. But then come to find out, it's none of these things to begin with. It's this thing right here. If you don't know what this is called the battery link fuse terminal link. It's usually on your positive terminal on your battery on these F-150s. For some reason, these little fuses get bad. And when they get bad, it seems to make it so your vehicle will not start no matter what the hell you do. I mean, I threw so many parts at this F-150 trying to figure out exactly what the hell was wrong with it. It turns out it's this damn part right here. So before you guys, rip your hair out trying to figure out exactly what the hell the problem is, check this thing out, okay? Definitely, check it with a multimeter. See if you're getting any sort of voltage or current coming through it. Anyways, guys, take it easy.